Everybody, it's Carrie. We're going to take a walk outside today. All right, here we go. All right, of course this is my house, but you can see all the nature around, different experience. Very nice to look at. Very peaceful too. So I'm just gonna be quiet and we can enjoy a miniature walk. I think we'll walk down the street. Hi, buddy. Hi. That's Buddy. That's my neighbor Dietrich's dog. He's such a sweet doggy. Down here, there's a house for sale. We'll go down and see it so then more people know about it. Okay, here's the house that is for sale. It's a beautiful house. You can see the for sale sign that well, but alright, well, we're going to start on our way back. My hands are cold. It's freezing out here. Mavis. Jeez. Alright, well, looks like we've made it back to my house. And that'll be all for today. Well, put some ideas in the comment section of what a video I should do next. Please like and subscribe to me. I would like to get up this video up, well, I'd like to get up to 20 subscribers. Alright, that's our goal. Let's get up to 20 subscribers. Bye.